to the Corvette Posse YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day. So today we are actually out in the middle of driving, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the tires up to temperature. You can see right there, they're still a little cool. They're warming up gradually, but pretty slow. It's a little cool out today. So what we're going to do is we're doing a little continuation on our Dragy GPS Performance Meter. And what I thought I would do is want to test some 0 to 60 times. So one thing I noticed, and I'll try to find the video and put it in here if I can find it. We went to the drag strip this summer, and my wife actually drove down the drag strip for the first time ever. She had a blast. But one thing I noticed is nice work.
Oh my gosh.
That was our first run down the drag strip. Nicely done. Was that fun?
It was amazing.
You want to do it again?
I don't know.
I noticed is that every time when I'm at the drag strip, when I'm doing anything like this, I always use the launch control. One thing I noticed with her, she was just going off of idle. We had it set up for launch control. All the settings were ready to go, but she just took it off of idle and just dumped, just mashed the gas. And her 60-foot times were actually better than mine. So what I'm going to test today is, once I get the temperature up to, or tires up to temp, is I'm going to test launch control versus just going off of idle and see if there's really a difference. Because I thought it was odd. The other funny thing with the drag strip was the C8s that were running had the same thing. Their 0 to 60 times were actually slower at the drag strip than they were on the street. So I found it interesting because it's a great prepped surface. You guys have seen the videos. I'll put a link to a couple of them up here. But so I don't know. It's odd. So we're gonna go ahead and give that a shot and just use the Dragy and see what's better, if using launch control gives us a better 60-foot time, or if we just take it off idle. So we got our Dragy. I'm going to sync this thing up with the app. Oops, I guess I gotta hit connect. My bad. We got our light going, so we're gonna give this guy a shot and see how it does with launch control. So I'm gonna go in and hit this button twice, turn off traction control, turn off stability control, go to track mode, and then we'll go to Sport 1. let's see what we have here. So, alright, so that first run was a 396, 0 to 60, and the second was a 432, because we spun quite a bit on that. I guess I'll have to go look at the video quick to see what the 60 foot times were. Okay, so that was 60 foot was 194 on that first run, and the second run it was 210. So okay, so I guess that was interesting. What I'll do is I'll probably test that back at the drag strip. We'll go back to the drag strip, because hers were, I mean, they were almost like a tenth faster than mine from launch control, and just going off a dig, or off idle. So kind of interesting. But okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, but just using my Dragy, checking stuff out, getting ourselves ready for race season, see what's gonna make a difference. Got a couple more things we'll be trying in another video, so hope you stick around, watch, or look out for that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll have more stuff coming up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.